Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 Carrera and this is the keychain version of it, as you can see. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I do have the older one, it is, I think that one is a fantasy casting which looks exactly like a Lamborghini Miura. I forgot coupe clip, yeah. So that is currently my bike keychain, and so I really want to replace that one with this one because that one like fully the paint job is fully faded out. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, see, it does have some issues with the paint job here. You can see this, it is actually in the paint job, it is not on top of it, it is not going. So see, there's nothing much to review here, but still, so the entire piece is made of metal and it says Hot Wheels here instead of, I think the original Porsche is Porsche, and there's a Porsche logo here. Honestly, this is the worst way to put the logo. You can see the paint job missed, it is not properly there. And here is the chassis, and it is a there's a key ring hole here. So nothing much here, you can do a roll test on this one. So but as a keychain this will work out, but if you ask me if this is like 180 rupees worth, no. So maybe 80 rupees, yeah, because you can easily get a lot of beautiful key rings for 80 to 90 rupees. I do have a lot of keychains, either Spider-Man or the Jack Sparrow one, the Pirates of the Caribbean logo, and the swords, Kratos, Blades of Chaos. All these things I bought, all these things for somewhere around 80 to 90 rupees max. So this is not worth 180 rupees, maybe 80 to 90. Yeah, that's fine. So there are no other paint jobs here. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.